In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot why your products aren't showing up on your Shopify store and provide you with an easy tutorial and fix. If you're running an online store, you know how important it is for your products to be visible to your customers. So, let's get your products back up on your display in no time. First, start by navigating to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, look to the left panel on your screen. You'll see a variety of options there. What you want to do is click on Products. By doing this, you'll be taken to a new page where you can see a comprehensive list of all the products you currently have in your store. Now that you're viewing your list of products, take a moment to ensure that your items are listed there. Sometimes, it might just be a case of your products not being marked correctly. Go through the list and carefully check the boxes for all the products you're having trouble with, the ones you need to show in your store. This step is crucial, as selecting the right products will ensure you're making the appropriate changes needed to resolve your visibility issues. With your items selected, look for the option labeled Set as Active. When you click this, you'll likely be prompted to confirm this action. Go ahead and confirm it. What this does is change the status of your products to active, meaning they are now set to be visible in your store. It might seem like a simple fix, but often products are inadvertently set as inactive. After you've activated your products, select them all again. This time, look for the three dots icon, which should be nearby on your admin page. Click this icon as it provides additional options for how your products are displayed and managed. From the drop-down menu that appears, you want to select Include in Sales Channels. Again, ensure you confirm this action if asked. This inclusion step ensures your products are not just active, but are also listed across any sales channels you might be using, from your online store to any marketplaces where you sell. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've resolved why your products weren't showing up on your Shopify store. This fix is quick but efficient, ensuring your products are visible and available for your customers to purchase. Always remember to go back and verify everything is displaying correctly from the customer's view. Proper visibility is key to your store's success, and now you know exactly what to do if your products go missing again. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for your Shopify store management.